Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting here a little bit faster on the 1 hour chart just to see what's happening. Of course, as you can see, we are inside the blue box as of course expected. We are expecting here of course a finished 1-2 and potentially another 1-2 formation towards the downside, where we see an impulse with double 1-2 1-2 and then 3 4 and a 5, or it can be a finished impulse 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Meaning you are currently in a formation of a second 1-2 and potentially of course that you have finished already here your wave 5 for a wave big wave 1, and we're looking at a very fast wave 2 here and sharp wave 2 or shallow wave 2, I would say, and then we're moving directly toward the downside with 1 2 3 4 and a 5. And that because, as we said, that the US stock market is burning. And that of course due to the politics and the tariffs that has been made on the trades between the global countries. And of course now we heard some news of course that the US might retreat or fall back with their tariffs over Canada, for example. But I don't know if this is gonna affect for good or for worse, because that shows even more weakness for the US. And also it shows that the man doesn't know what he's doing, right? And potentially he was expecting something else than this. And of course they have their own analysts, and they already saw that we're heading to our target here. Definitely, I mean, I'm definitely they have someone better than me, right, to analyze where they are heading, right? So 1.38, 1.618. Meaning more than almost 6 to 7 months. Almost more than 1 year of movement toward the upside. Then just drop it in just single few days. So it's a destroyer here for the market A, B, and a C, unless something will change and reflect this, of course, in different manner, as ABC running flat and moving towards towards the upside. Currently, we are still looking, of course, for this lower part as an expanding flat. This is our only scenario here possible, where we have a wave 3 and then A, B, and a C. You don't have anything impulsive here. You was looking for an impulse potentially here. We were looking for an expanding flat as well as ABC probably, but I believe that the whole thing right now has turned into 3 waves, as of course zigzag for wave W, X, and a zigzag for your wave Y, finishing wave B. And this is a big impulse for wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is where the market is heading. Now we have finished 3 waves here, 5 waves impulsive. It would be nice, of course, to turn this into a running flat in the middle of the structure with 5 waves, failing to reach the low and then moving toward the upside. But of course it needs a catalyst here, something very nice, positive psychologically, to move toward the upside. Otherwise we are simply in 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Now your wave 2 might we have said yesterday we might have started with our wave 3, right, after finishing the impulse, and we might finish a 1-2 here and then continuation toward the downside, or simply extension for a wave 1. We're gonna read this, of course, with more data that we get. Currently we are of course looking for something very impulsive on the 1 hour chart. This is an impulse, right? It can be your wave 1, or it can be your wave 1 of wave 3. So meaning 1 2 3, this is your wave 1 or wave 3. If we drop down more, therefore definitely we're heading to our main target. So that was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.